We are printing up our very first quantum dot filament from protopasta in a textile form. The pause has been added and we'll add our fabric. I'll show you what it looks like before we resume the print. I'm using black illusion mesh instead of white illusion mesh because white illusion mesh is also UV reactive. I just want to see the effect of the quantum dot filament. The fabric has been placed. I have 6 or 7 magnets, and I'm going to resume the print. There is no additional Z offset required. The layer height that's being printed is the same thickness as the fabric, or greater than. The print will resume, encapsulating that fabric between the first and the second layer. And we'll see it in, an hour and 3 minutes. All right, checking in, 26 minutes left. Are you still quantuming? Yep, you are still quantuming. My standard practice is to reheat the build plate up to 40 degrees after it has fully cooled. Remove the magnets, and we are ready to remove the print. Now let's see it under UV light. Regular light, and watch out, UV light. Incredible. Science is amazing. Isn't it? Just the pigments are achieved by splitting the molecule in smaller pieces. All right, have a good night.